Alrighty, y'all. So today I'm at a river. I'm gonna try to do a little crappie fishing. There's some flooded timber and some brush piles in this river. I'm gonna vertical jig them. But right now I'm kind of just taking a minute because this is the boat ramp. It's a little steep. It's gonna be an interesting boat launch. So hopefully the truck doesn't go in with the boat. I'll check back with you in a second. Well, we made it on the water without putting the truck in. That was a 4-wheel drive boat ramp. So I think kind of the strategy today is going to be using the long pole and just slowly jigging, maybe even dead stick it. But the wind's blowing down through the channel kind of, so it might be a little difficult, but we'll get it done. Hopefully we can get on some crappie. We got something big. Catfish. Don't get me up in there. Nice channel cat. Got him. That was fun on that long pole, man. I got like 30-pound braid on my long pole. I wasn't worried about my line breaking. I was worried about my little jig head bending straight. Here we go. First fish of the day. Not a crappie, but okay. Had a camera malfunction. I think it got too hot. First crappie. Got on the short pole. I'm a little bit deeper water, so that might be the key. Everything up there was pretty hot and pretty shallow, so I think this might be a good spot. I don't know what that is. It's big. Holy crap. Where are you? I can't turn around. Don't go on it. No, 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 no. Oh, another catfish. Dang. I'll take it. He'll eat good too. Not as good. Little jig. Caught one and got another bite just out here by dead sticking it, just holding it. I think there's some cover down there, about 7 foot. Got him. Good one. Really good one. Oh yeah. Just dead sticking it like that. You just feel a little thump, pull on your line. You set the hook hard. That's a good crappie. Really good one. That's what I came for. Them good ones. Heck yeah. Well, that has seemed, I've caught 3 fish all using that technique, so I think that's what we're going with. Awesome. There we go. Oh man, that's something big. Another channel cat. What is going on, man? Goodness. Jig on him now. Well, there he is. I'm gonna put him back. I set my drag real loose just in case. And I love that sound when I set the hook and it just a little bit of drag lets out. That's just how I do it. I can always tighten my drag when I'm fighting a fish. Measure with your pole how deep. About 6 foot of water. First one off the pile. MRE's meal ready to eat. Oh, and I'm eating lunch with a snake. He's up in the tree looking at me. Well, y'all, got horse meat all hooked up on the trailer. Ended up with 6 keeper crappie and 2 catfish in there in the cooler. So I tried to get as much on video as I could. It was just hard because the bites were kind of sporadic, spread out. I hope it'll make something at least decent. Had a good time. It's really hot today. The water temperature was from 85 to 90 surface temp. And I think that was what it was outside, was probably 89 to 90 degrees. Hot day, but down there on the river there wasn't much wind, so it really felt hot. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. See you on the next one.